Updating your billing address on Amazon is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Amazon website and click on the Sign In button. Enter your email address and password to access your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once signed in, hover over the Accounts and Lists menu at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to your addresses. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Edit billing address. Locate the billing address you want to update. Click on the Edit button next to the address. Make the necessary changes to your billing address details. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your address, scroll down and click the Save Address button to confirm your changes. Ensure that the new address is now listed correctly. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address on Amazon. Keeping your information up to date helps ensure smooth transactions and delivery.